We're here live at the Thrivetime Business Conference, and who do I have the pleasure of speaking with?
My name is Daniel Thomas.
And what's the company you work for, Daniel?
I'm the owner of Cutting Edge Outdoors. We are a premium outdoor living company in Fort Smith, Arkansas. We specialize in designing and creating beautiful spaces for people to enjoy outside their homes. Man, I've been listening to the podcast for about 6 years, and a friend of mine told me about it and started listening to it, and then I downloaded one of Clay's books, and then next thing I know, they called me and invited me to the conference, and that was years ago, and I've been 5 times now, I think.
How'd your experience?
Oh, it's great. I left a review earlier online, and basically the way I see it is, first time I came, I was in a place where I really wanted to figure out how to grow my business. And I came, I learned, I kept coming, and I kept applying, and I grew 1,000%. And Clay, just in the podcast himself, he's like, look, I'm this way, and I believe in this, and if you would hate that, then you shouldn't come to the conference. So already you know that everybody here agrees with you on so many things. And we're all here trying to better ourselves, I think, so that we can make our communities better, so that we can make our country better, and it's a good place to be for that.
I am from NASA Bay, Texas, down in the Clear Lake, NASA area, and southeast Houston, and I'm here at the Clay Clark business conference, and learning a whole lot. And I know I have a whole lot to take back to Illuminated Pathways Family Therapy, which is my practice that has been in business for 10 years.
My name is Sterling Witt. I'm from the Kansas City area. It's been great. It's my second time here. I like Clay. I like his personality. He's hilarious, and you don't get that much at business conferences, so that's why I'm here. I would, if for anybody who's interested in doing something with their lives, this is a good place to be.
Debbie Del Monte. It wows you.
Brody. I would recommend it to all of them because it is very epic.
My name is Jenny. I am a client of Clay, and I was invited, and I'm so excited to be here. There's amazing information on building a business and helping it grow, and it's just fantastic.
I'm Alex. I came here with my mom. She's got a school, and I'm one of the teachers, so I came to support her. Yeah, I would recommend this conference to anybody that wants to open a business. I feel like I'm learning so much, and I'm getting full, spiritually full. Like I just want to go out and plan my day so that I can follow through better.
My name is Gareth Kruger. Actually, this is my second one, but I actually worked with Clay back in 2001 at Impact Ministries Faith Highway. So I've known Clay for almost 24 years. Because it's phenomenal, the energy, all the people of like faith, just the things that you learn for growing businesses are phenomenal.
Hey everybody, it's Robert Parkinson with Real Financial Solutions, realfinancialsolutions.net. Let me tell you something. I've been to a lot of conferences, I've been to a lot of events, a lot of marketing type things, hired professional marketing coaches and that. And I'll tell you this, the Clay Clark event has been one of the best, if not the best events that I've been to. And here's why. Because it's real content, real value. It's not a pitch fest with a bunch of people from the stage like I've seen in so many conferences that I've been a part of. I'm just telling you that if you're looking for real content and value to take your business to the next level, the steps that are going to be clearly defined for you, you need to attend a Clay Clark event.
My name's Tyler Oler. I would recommend the Thrivetime conference to anybody. It really much so does get you motivated. It teaches you a lot. You're learning the entire time. You get to see a lot of very successful people, how they live and how they were able to accomplish all of that. And it's just a very good experience all around.
Hi, my name is John. My buddy Tyler actually recommended it, and I came down here with him on kind of a whim. It's been a really good time. You get to meet a lot of people that have skills that you don't have, very charismatic people that it's fun to sit and talk to the entire time.
Raider Carlson from Maine. I have a business called Hey Fit Mom, does pregnant women workouts online. And I gotta say that I saw this conference on True Social, but I wouldn't have known Clay Clark unless I followed somebody else that I met. And so I basically clicked the link on Truth. I saw Robert Kiyosaki was coming, and I've known of him since 2006. Clay, his business is to help your business improve exponentially, and he's willing to do it at a very affordable price. And that alone, I know how to do all these things, but like he said, not very well, because obviously I haven't gotten the success, everything else. But then you have a dedicated team that does the videos, does the photos, does the SEO, does the website, does all of this stuff that you don't even have to even think about. Because I want to be in my lane. I don't want to be doing website stuff. I absolutely hate it. And it's just all those stupid little nuances like HTML and XML, all that stuff, XML. And so it's just the value. This is changing my life, and I don't say that lightly. My life, I can see. This is my life before the conference, and this is my life going to be after. And I'm amazed at that, and that's not even an exaggeration.
What is your name?
My name is Nick Dunson. I work for Legacy Landscape. We are a landscape company that's looking to, advance your curb appeal of your house and make your garden beds look great. I showed up here today at this conference and was looking forward to learning a lot about growing my business and meeting people. And I would say that this is probably one of the best conferences I've been to learn a little bit about growing a business and making sure that, you get all the information that you need. So I would definitely highly recommend this service to anybody out there who's looking to grow their business and meet a great group of people and work with a great group of people to, like I said, grow your business. Oh yes, level to the 10 max. He speaks really well, and I don't think I could have had a better speaker. He kept it short, sweet, and gave me basically everything. It felt like he was talking directly to me.
My name is Kevin Thomas, and the name of our company is MultiClean. We are a commercial janitorial service, and we serve the entire state of Oklahoma and Kansas and soon to be Arkansas. We have probably grown 5 times. We've added, I think when we first started with you, we had 60 to 65 employees. And now we have a little over 300 employees. Before we got involved with Thrivetime, we didn't really have any systems or processes in place. So I've probably been to, in 6-7 years, I've probably been to 12 to 13 business conferences. And amazingly, each time I go, I learn something new, and I'm so excited to bring it back and show the team about marketing and how to implement.
Okay, Aaron Antis, September 25th and 26th. Guess who's coming back to Tulsa? I will give you a hint. His first name is Eric, and his last name is Trump. Whoa. And his father is the 47th president of these United States. Yes, Eric Trump is joining us once again here September 25th and 26th in Tulsa, Oklahoma for the 2-day interactive Thrivetime Show Business Growth Workshop. But Eric Trump is bringing friends. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, Alina Haba will be joining Eric Trump right here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Amanda Grace will be in the place. Dr. Stella Emanuel will be here in T-Town in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Julie Green will be on the scene. Mel K will be here to say hey. Dave Scarlett from the His Glory team will be here. It's going to be a blasty blast right here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. If you want to start or grow a super successful company, if you want to make your wallet great again or make your wallet great for the first time, if you want to learn marketing, systems, scaling, human resources, accounting, social media, branding, search engine optimization, sales training, financial management, and more, get your tickets right now at thrivetimeshow.com. Once again, that's thrivetimeshow.com. Well, people don't know this, but the Trump organization has thousands of employees. There's not 50 employees. The Trump organization, again, most people don't know this, but the Trump organization has thousands of employees. And while Donald J. Trump was the 45th president of these United States, he needed a competent man to run and execute his business plans. Showtime! So the man that runs the Trump organization for Donald J. Trump, as he was the 45th president of the United States and now the 47th president of the United States, is Eric Trump. And so Eric Trump is here to talk about time management, promoting from within, marketing, branding, quality control, sales systems, workflow design, workflow mapping, how to build. I mean, everything that you see, the Trump hotels, the Trump golf courses, all their products, the man who manages billions of dollars of real estate and thousands of employees, is here to teach us how to do it.
You are talking about one of the greatest brands on the planet from a business standpoint.
Right.
I mean, who else has been able to create a brand like the Trump brand? I mean, look at it. And this is the man behind the business for the last pretty much since 2015. He's been the man behind it. So you're talking, we're into 9 going into 10 years of him running it, and we get to tap into that knowledge. That's going to be amazing.
Now, think about this for a second.
But that Clay Clark, man, he is one character.
It's a good word for him. Character. Yeah, that is it.
Good, driven, smart. And I've never met a guy who was so hyper all the time. He's doing so much good. And then I met his mother, and she just says, she just lets him be Clay Clark. I mean, so he's endorsed by his mother, and he's doing magnificent work. So it was great meeting you out there and all the people that he surrounds himself with. Clay Clark starts his days at 5 o'clock in the morning.
Oh, it's incredible. Yeah, he's a machine. He's a machine.
Yeah. But I have problems with my company starting at 9 o'clock. Yes, hundreds of people showing up at 5 a.m. in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Man, he's a leader of a leader. He's a fantastic young man.
No, he is.
The lineup continues to grow, and this is how we do our tickets here at the Thrivetime Show. If you want to get a VIP ticket, you can absolutely do it. It's $500 for a VIP ticket. We've always done it that way. Now, if you want to take a general admission ticket, it's $250 or whatever price you want to pay. And the reason why I do that, and the reason why we do that, is because we want to make our events affordable for everybody. I grew up without money. I totally understand what it's like to be in a tight spot. So if you want to attend, it's $250 or whatever price you want to pay. That's how I do it. And it's $500 for a VIP ticket. Now, we only have limited seating here. With the most people we've ever had in this building was for the Jim Brewer presentation. Jim Brewer came here, the legendary comedian Jim Brewer came to Tulsa, and we had 419 people that were here. 419 people.
Yeah.
And I thought to myself, there's no more room. I felt kind of bad that a couple people had VIP seats in the men's restroom. Oh, no, I'm just kidding. But I thought, you know what? We should probably add on.
Clay Clark is here somewhere. Where's my buddy Clay? Clay's the greatest. I met his goats today. I met his dogs. I met his chickens. I saw his compound. He's like the greatest guy.
I ran from his goats, his chickens, his dogs.
So this guy's like the greatest marketer you've ever seen, right? His entire life, Clay Clark, his entire life is marketing.
So again, if you want to get tickets for this event, all you have to do is go to thrivetimeshow.com. Go to thrivetimeshow.com. When you go to thrivetimeshow.com, you'll go there, you'll request a ticket, boom. Or if you want to text me, if you want a little bit faster service, you say, I want you to call me right now. Just text my number. It's my cell phone number, my personal cell phone number. We'll keep that private between you, me, everybody. We'll keep that private. And anybody. Don't share that with anybody except for everybody. That's my private cell phone number. It's 918-851-0102. 918-851-0102. I know we have a lot of Spanish-speaking people that attend these conferences, and to be bilingually sensitive, my cell phone number is 918-851-0102.